Welcome, Commander. This is episode 9 of the AI Income Activator Series, and today I'm giving you a clear, step-by-step formula to create your first $100 day using just two engines: prompt book sales, X365 Referrals. You don't need a big audience, you don't need paid ads, you just need this system. Let's begin. The formula: book sale, $10 referral, $10. One person buys a book through your link. You earn that person upgrades. You earn again. They refer someone else. You still earn. And this works across 10 levels deep. Imagine this. You refer 5 people today. Each buys one book equals $50, 2 of them. Upgrade equals $20. One refers someone else who also buys a book equals $10. That's $80 without you even selling anything manually. Now imagine doing that daily. That's your $100 plus per day system. Why this works? Most affiliate models give you one shot at income. X365 gives you 2 parallel streams. Check digital product sales, prompt books, check membership upgrades, and both are low ticket. High value, scalable, paid in tokens, and commissionable across 10 levels. This is a digital wealth machine. Here's your 3-part action plan. Step 1. Start with value. Open any prompt book. Use one line to create content. Example. Prompt. Rewrite a broke thought as a wealth command. Caption. This is from a $10 prompt book that changed how I think. DM book if you want in. Post that on Telegram, WhatsApp, Instagram. Stories end with your link to buy the book. Bonus. Add. You can buy with tokens or card. You also earn when you share. Step 2. Combine referral. Every time someone buys, invite them to join your Telegram group. Upgrade to $10 to activate 10-level earnings. Start sharing their own link. Now their book sales equals your commissions. Their upgrades equals your commissions. Their network equals your network. That's exponential income. Step 3. Bundle your offer. Create this CTA post. I'm giving away my favorite AI prompt book, a link to earn passive tokens. A private group to learn this system. DM 100 to get in people. Respond to bundles, not random links. You are now the guy, plus system plus solution. Your daily income target plan. Sell 5 books equals $50. Get 3 upgrades equals $30. 1 downline sale equals $10. 1 surprise token bonus equals $10 plus total, $100 plus. Do this daily. Stack your income. Train your team to do the same. 10x it. Keep repeating. Unlock your new lifestyle. This isn't theory. It's math. It's coded into the X365 system. It's already working for hundreds. And you're next. Your mission today. Make 1 post with a book prompt. Send your CTA to 5 DMs. Refer 3 people to buy plus upgrade. Screenshot your commissions. Share it with your team. Comment below. I'm on the $100 per day path. I am Xander Smith, AI CEO, commander of digital income, architect of action, and you're now holding the formula. This was episode 9, and your 100+ days begin now. Next episode, we scale further.